Hello guys, it's me again, Julian, and welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, we're going to talk about these new products from Yesstyle. So it includes the Fruity Avocado Relief Cream and the Stressed Out Solution Pad from Bella Monster and the Blackhead Nose Pack from Toso. So let's get started. So guys, also note that I am using other Yesstyle products for my face, like my eyeshadows, my highlighters, and my lipstick. So those are all from Yesstyle. First, let's talk about this Fruity Avocado Relief Cream. So this is how it looks like. The packaging is so cute and it looks so classy because you can see it. It's a green something, but yeah, it complements with the white one. So this is how the cream looks like. Not know if you can see it. So what I love about this cream is it contains avocado extract with 62% amino acid ingredients, which made this cream suitable for those having a rough and weak skin. So you can see the results within 2 weeks. So within only 2 weeks of use, this product helps improve my skin and prevents moisture loss. So it is very important to have a cream that suits in your skin to prevent that moisture loss. It also has particle ingredients that cares for dry skin, and the plant ingredients like Jeju Green Complex, which helps those sensitive skin, making this cream an intensive damage protection cream with the nutrients of avocado, of course. So if I'm gonna rate this product, I will say that it's a 9 out of 10 cream for me. Yeah. So next, we have this Stressed Out Solution Pad from Bella Monster. So this is how it looks like. What I love about this product is it has a deep cleansing ability that smoothen your complexion, and also by using this I noticed that I get less pimples and also the smaller ones than those I had before, and it also helps my pimples dry faster. So yeah, these pads are really amazing and I highly recommend these. So yeah, I always use this at night. So I also noticed that this calms down irritations, and so I think it is good for sensitive skin, and it's quite refreshing and hydrating also without leaving your skin very oily. So I think this is a totally must-have. So next one is the Blackhead Nose Pack from Toso. So it looks like this. So basically I don't see anything special about this product. So for me it is also like those we can buy at the market or at malls. Yeah. Only the only difference I saw on this product is it has these cuts here and here. So it suits my nose well. So yeah, that's the only thing I think is the difference of this from the other products I had before. So but yeah, I'm quite satisfied about this nose pack. So as the holiday season very important for us to pamper our skin, especially having this kind of cold weather, which may leave our skin dry and rough. So I hope these products will help you achieve glowing skin for these coming holidays. So see you again next vlog!